Hello guys, I'm Omid from PLC channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can we connect servo drive delta B23 to our PC. For doing this we need this socket. This is 1394 socket, 6 pin, and this is male. And we need DB9 socket, 9 pin, and this is female. And of course we need RS232 to USB cable. We have to connect pin 2 in 1394 socket to pin 2 DB9 socket, and of course pin 4 we have to connect this to pin 3, and pin 1 have to be connected to pin 5. Okay, and we can connect this drive to PC by this plan. At the end, if you like this video, please like it, and if you want to watch more videos like this type of video, please subscribe me, and thank you. Be with me. Okay, at first we have to know what's our parameters, and our communication parameters is in P3 and 00. Okay, you have to know what is this. It's a station number that this is 3. Okay, and the next one, this is our baud rate, that this is 3. It means 400. Okay, this, and it's okay. And then another one is it is 0, and this is our protocol, and it means it's 7, and noun and stop bit is 2 ASCII. Okay, and then I push set, and another one is P305. Enter, and this is have to be on the 0. Okay, I push set. Okay, and our wiring is here. This is a single phase, and this is our cable that connected between our drive and our motor, and this is encoder cable. It's this is coming here. Okay, and this is our communication cable. Okay, that its plan is I will explain about this, and it comes here, and this is RS232 to USB. Okay, from here. Okay guys, I have to open my ASDA soft, and then we have to click here and my port number is 4. Okay, I can see from here. Right click on this, manage, and device manager and ports. You can see here. Okay, we have to click on this and click on P35 equals 0. My port number is COM4 and the station address is 3. Okay, and we choose 3 for baud rate 38400. Okay, and for protocol we choose the 0 7 and 2 ASCII. Okay, and then click on OK and click on offline, and this is online now, and we can see our parameter. Okay, and we can jog our motor. For jogging our motor, we have to click on this and off it, click on this and click on this, and we have to on our servo. Okay, when then when we click on this, we can see. Okay, our servo motor is turning. Okay, okay, my friends, in this video I told you that how can we connect B2 series Delta servo motors, servo drives to our PC, and I told you how can we jog servo motors, and how can we see parameters. Please like this video if you like it, and please subscribe me and share my video to your friends. Thank you, you're watching. See you soon.